So, Gay and Carol, are we going to get a future recipe on this one? What is it? Coca-Cola chicken wings? I reckon there should be a video on that one coming soon.
Hi guys, in this video we're going to show you how you can spend more time doing the things at camping you really like to do. We get to play with the dogs more, or go out kayaking. And while we're doing that, we make our Coca-Cola chicken wings that we normally make at home in the kitchen that we've now taken to camp cooking. They're a slow cook, fall off the bone chicken meal that tastes like Coke. It's pretty awesome. Stay tuned. Oh nice, they look good. They're just not drying out, but they fall off the bone as usual. Yeah, they're just falling apart now. That's alright. They'll still be alright. Hey? Yeah. Alright, we'll just leave them now till we have tea.
Hey guys, Ed from Ed's 4-Wheel Driving Camping. This is an unsponsored and unbiased review of Gay and Carol's chicken wings. Cola chicken wings. They'll melt in your mouth flavour goodness and they were just yum. Only problem is, they wouldn't share the recipe with me. Maybe they'll start sharing it real soon. Alright guys, we'll see you soon.
Hey peeps, Nas here from Nastime Adventures. I'm here to tell you that there's only one thing better than Gay and Carol's Coca-Cola chicken wings. And that's Coca-Cola chicken wings by the campfire. It's an absolute must. You're going to love it. Finger licking good. Catch you soon, guys. Happy camping.
Hi, my name's Mark. I'm friends of Gay and Carol, and I've had the Coca-Cola chicken wings, and they're really good when you've had a couple of drinks and around a fire. They're really tasty.
Hi guys and girls, Big Mac here from MKM Touring Australia. Guys, I'm just in the studio doing a bit of editing today, and I thought I'd give a quick shout out to Gay and Carol from Gay and the Lesbian. These are on their beautiful sticky Coca-Cola chicken wings. Guys, you really got to check these things out. Jump on their page, check them out online. They're the best juicy, succulent, meaty things that you can literally put in your mouth. Guys, they are awesome for our camping trips. So jump on there, check out theirs. While you're at it, guys, check out MKM Touring Australia. Follow us online, give us a like, and we'll see you on the tracks. Uru for now.
Thanks heaps to Ed, Nas, Matt and Mark for their reviews on my Coca-Cola chicken wings. I'm cutting up some onions. I've already minced up a little bit of garlic, a couple of cloves. I think about 3 cloves. There's meant to be 4, but I always go a little bit lighter on the garlic. 1 onion.
What's the view like?
Pretty good, I reckon. Depends which way I'm looking. But yeah, I reckon it's alright. The onion and that doesn't have to be fine. It can be quite coarse, which is good because it's the best way to do it. The advantage of cooking outdoors, if you spill shit on the floor, it stays there. I'm only using a saucepan to mix it with. So, lemon juice. Just quickly, the recipe says 2 cups of Coke. I'm only going to go with, 3 cups of Coke. I'm going to go with 2 to start with. Oopsie. And a splash. I feel like that fella. And add if I need to. Because it's usually quite wet. So we're going to see if we can get it, there's a joke in there, drier. Done. Stir, stir, stir. If I can get the lid back on. As you stir it to fill your mixer, brown sugar. But that's alright, they look good. Okay. They usually get a bit of colour and I turn them over and get rid of the colour. No, it looks good. Alright. There's still good heat in there.
It's still boiling.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be the same.
Do you want me to heat it?
Yeah, maybe chuck that a bit more heat on it because I want to try and dry some of this fluid out.
Yeah, I know. So boil it? Is it?
Yeah.
Alright.
So it's still got another hour and a half to go. Use that. So you just can pour on Awesome. Thanks for watching. That's our Coca-Cola chicken wings, camp cooked, not in the kitchen oven at home. You'll notice down in the description is the recipe and the how-to. Make sure you got plenty of time that you can chill and let them cook. If you like our video, give us a big thumbs up. Any questions or comments, hit us up down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks again, guys. Ciao.